as they are heading out the door. Temperatures are cold. 22 degrees in the triangle right now with a wind chill of 16 degrees. You can see that little sliver of a moon on the horizon along with Venus, a bright point of light standing out very well right now. And just behind the banner there is Jupiter. So you can look to the east and get a little sky show this morning. 21 degrees, the temperature right now on campus at NC State. It's cold everywhere. It's just a matter of how cold. 17 degrees right now in South Hill, Virginia, 18 Roxborough, 19 Roanoke Rapids, and in Pittsburgh. We just dropped a degree in Raleigh. We're now down to 21 degrees, 25 to start off the morning in Fayetteville, 28 the best we can do right now in Clinton. Factor in just a little bit of a breeze. It's not strong, but it is just enough to make it feel even colder. 12 the current wind chill right now in Raleigh. Air temperature and wind chill are identical in Durham, 20 degrees for both. Feels like 13 right now in Sanford, 15 in Sadler City, 11 in Rocky Mount. You get the idea. It's cold. Need to layer up as you're heading out the door. Now, today is not going to be as breezy as yesterday, but it just takes a little breath of wind moving around to make it feel even chillier. And as our temperatures drop down into the teens, it's still possible that our wind chill temperatures that feels like reading are going to drop down into the single digits. But then we start warming up. Still cold by noon. Our temperatures are going to be below freezing at lunchtime. Or we'll call it chilly this afternoon. We'll be charitable. High temperatures only reach in the upper 30s. But this is the valley of the cold snap. We start warming up tomorrow. Just have to put up with a cold day today. You should make it up to around 40 degrees for Fayetteville and the Sand Hills. Same thing for the southern coastal plain, but it gets quite a bit chillier as you head farther north towards the Virginia state line. Your high temperatures in southern Virginia and farther into the Piedmont are barely going to be above freezing this afternoon. Want some good news? Let's look at the long-range forecast. The 6 to 10-day temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center that takes us through next week calls for a significant chance of above-average temperatures for the whole eastern seaboard, and that includes us around here. As we look farther down the line into the middle of February, the signal isn't quite as strong, but still a lot of the data is leaning in the direction that those above-average temperatures would continue through the first half of February. We actually get a month-long update for the whole month of February. An outlook for that month comes out later today, this afternoon, so we'll have more about that coming up on CBS 17 News tomorrow. In the short term, we do warm up. It's going to be cold today. It'll be cold tomorrow morning, but we start warming up with near average high temperatures tomorrow. Upper 50s on Saturday and then into the 60s Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, even close to 70 degrees by Tuesday and Wednesday. There's always a chance of a shower when we warm up that much this time of year. The best chance will probably roll our way on Wednesday, so we'll keep an eye on that for you.
All right. Well, this morning I ran into some black ice. Can you believe that?
This morning?
It's just in my neighborhood because water was...
Was somebody watering?
I think so. There's one particular spot. So I'm not trying to scare anyone. But it was just funny because yesterday I was worried about it, and then today I ran into it. So
It's
I'm like,
going to be
okay.
17 degrees. I'm going to water the lawn.
Yeah. It's this one particular spot around a roundabout. So you go around and then you kind of like...
keep going?
Yep, and you just...